Nail techs, here are 5 reasons why not everyone needs to have their nails done. These are the types of clients that honestly you don't need. Number 1, the client that's broke AF. And we all know what that means. That means they're going to cancel on you at the very last minute when they don't have money for the babysitter. Number 2, rough as cob on their nails. That is a Southern expression for people who are like extremely rough. Like if you've ever seen a dried out old corn cob, that is rough as a cob. That's the people who will not participate in the care of their own nails to help you maintain the look that you've given them. They're just never gonna cue to oil. They're never gonna not use their nails as tools. These are just clients that just expect miracles, okay? Number 3, job needs precision skills. Their job needs precision skills, so they have to do little tiny minute details that involve the use of their fingertips. Short nails are for them, and 9 times out of 10, people don't want to pay money for short nails. Number 4, they've got an allergy, a previous allergy to gel or acrylic. Once that happens, it's almost all downhill from there, and you don't even want to take on that liability risk. Switch them to natural nail manicures or don't do their nails. And number 5, the people who constantly reschedule. Yes, they constantly cancel, reschedule, book again, reschedule, take up time from somebody else that could have been on your book. Yeah, those are the people. Once that happens a few times, then I don't give them an option to book back. I just let them know that, hey, you can call the day of and see what's open, but you've canceled too many times. And I do give them a warning. If you've canceled one more time, I'm sorry, if there's some reason that you have to reschedule and this happens one more time, like the 3rd time we've gone through this, then I give them the only option is to call that morning of, see what I've got available. Those are the types of clients that do not need their nails done if they're not sure they want to get their nails done. Am I right or am I wrong? Peace out, nail techs.